Hi, my name's Nicholas Rains. I'm with Navient. I'll let you know the call may be monitored or recorded.
So do you get sales calls and robocalls like that? If so, it won't surprise you to hear that 2017 was a record year for robocalls. Americans got tens of billions of automated calls from companies that want your money, your identity, or your personal information, or all three. 45 million of those calls were to phones right here in Tampa Bay, but there is a way to fight back. And believe it or not, you could actually get some money out of it, which is why we have Fox 13's Evan Axelbank here to tell us. Please, we want to know.
Well, Cynthia, more than some money. We all know, of course, what it's like to look down at your phone and see a call from your area code only to pick up and be connected to someone saying they're from something called credit services or something like that. The key to stopping them is to tell them that they have to stop calling you. And if they don't stop, you could sue for big money. You can hear it.
Hi, may I speak to Michelle Robertson?
Yes, this is her.
The escalating.
Stop calling my phone 50 times a day.
Fury.
It is 8:30 at night.
Michelle Robertson is suing Pennsylvania student loan provider Navient, who allegedly called her 705 times over 2.5 years.
You're depressed enough as it is that you can't make your bills.
And 6 times on the 22nd.
Tampa lawyer Billy Howard says once she asked them to stop, the line was crossed from attempt to collect to harassment.
This is my cell phone. You need to stop calling me from different numbers, okay? Please.
The Telephone Consumer Protection Act allows courts to impose penalties of between $500 and $1,500 per call. Howard has filed 400 suits, with one client awarded $275,000 for 220 calls received.
Right now, there's no end in sight because they make so much money that when they have to turn around and pay someone $100,000 or even $500,000, it's a drop in the bucket.
The 3 steps to take are: 1, tell them to stop calling; 2, get your phone records to see how many times they've called; and 3, bring it to a lawyer.
And there are a lot of people that just simply don't know the law. So there's a lot of people out there that probably could get rich.
Robocall tracker Umail says in January alone, 44.6 million automated calls were made to Tampa Bay area codes. That's up year over year by 5 million.
Calling people, wearing them down, harassing the hell out of them makes people pay. It's a proven model.
In 2016, 4 million complaints were filed with the FCC, which is double the number from 2 years previous to that. One thing that could help your case is to record yourself telling them to stop calling you. But remember, in Florida, you have to tell them you're recording before you do. Now, Billy Howard, the lawyer there, says that it costs the robo-dialers less than a penny to make 10 million calls.
Oh, so now we really get it.
Cheap business to be in.
No
right?
kidding. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Got to start tapping into some of that money. Thank you so much.
No wonder
Evan.
they're so rapid.
I tell ya. Wow.